out there. That's what I call putting in work. Got my Interstate's over that way, it looks fine, but that's not the case. Y'all, she's been missing bad. I got 10 miles to go. As you can see, the roads ain't great. Thank God we made it to the Walmart. Looks like somebody's living here out in the Regency. So worst case scenario, I'll be stuck here, but it's not quite lunchtime. I should have time to get these points swapped out. I'm actually excited about this. As a mechanic, let me show you one of the cool things about this van. I didn't pull it out all the way. I usually just put it back here in the back, but I just need to get to this side because my points are right underneath that distributor cap. You see, they're down inside of here, right there. This component is what we need to change out. But one thing I can try before I go through swapping it, which is just a couple screws and one wire to that condenser, is you get some sandpaper and run it in between where those points, they spread out right there, and there's two little points. As it turns, it spreads out. It runs on this. It looks like a nut under there, but it's actually like a cam. Now you see that nut right there? It's actually not just a nut, it's a cam, and as it turns, it pushes and spreads this thing out. See that? You can do it with a screwdriver. What I'm going to do is get this piece of sandpaper and get in between these two points and try to sand it down to see if that'll help. Just like such, and then you just kind of work it in there, try to clean them up a little bit, and also do the same thing to the end of this rotor button here, and inside of here, along inside of each one of those points on the distributor cap. Sand those down real good. They're not too bad, but they could use some cleaning. Oh yeah, baby, we're back in action. I know y'all was like, this guy's crazy, man. He's got all kinds of problems. Think about this van is so easy to work on. There's only a couple things that it could be with this van. That's why I love the old stuff, carbureted. All right, we're ready for the next leg. Yeah, so this friendly guy over here, he's jugging. He's trying to get to Phoenix. He stays out in Quartzsite. Man, travelers are cool. We help each other out all the time. Anyway. Little buddy. It's almost over. We are in like Flynn, y'all. Okay, so it's 91 miles to go.
Turn right onto Lebanon Highway.
Well, we are smooth sailing, baby. So we'll see you when I get there. If you think you're the only one, if you think you're the only one, it's true. If you think you're the only one, if you think you're the only one, it's true. Ain't no sense in running from what nature wants for me and you to do. That being said, we made it back. Mission success. back in town, back to pick up the work truck, and then back out to work in the van, the work van for a few weeks in the hotels. It gets old, but it'll get me through the winter and get some money in my pocket. Anyway, thanks for tuning in to the saga. I'll be checking in with you real soon. Hopefully some updates and some upgrades coming too. Peace out. God bless.